Okay, so here's an app I created with Buzzy, imported to Figma, and I've switched the theme to use Savory. So it started out as dark, I've switched to Savory now. Um, so that's a start now. Say I want to actually change the Savory theme. I want to edit it a bit to have some different colors and stuff. So I'm just going to get rid of the plugin for now. To do that, we can open the variables. So underneath where this selection is, you'll see there's a local variables. Click this, it shows us all our variables and variable modes, which are basically our themes. In this Figma file, there they are. There's three modes: dark, light, savory. Now I could edit the dark one. There's a potential gotcha here that because I've copied the community file into my drafts folder here. Figma now treats me like just a single free account holder, which means I'm limited by Figma to only have access to one variable mode. The others are still here and it lets me switch between them, but I can't edit them. I can only edit the first one here. So there's a workaround here. So I say I want to use the Savory theme and I'm using Savory mode here, which I am in my app, and I want to edit this, I can just delete the others. So delete the modes that I'm not using. See, now light has become the first one by default, it's moved up. So I can edit this one if I want, but I don't. I want to edit Savory, so I could just get rid of light mode as well. Now Savory is the only mode I have left and it's become editable for me. So that's a workaround for that limitation. To change this, I'm going to, for instance, we might decide these are our primitive colors and I want to change the brand colors for the Savory theme. I'm going to go use some other colors. I've already got some pasted over here. Oh, sorry, I did have until I re-grabbed the file. 1 second. There they are. So I want to use these colors for my theme. I'm just got to make sure that I match the, the light color becomes a light color here. So I'm just going to grab these same sort of values. 300. Just paste them in here. And line. There it is. So now I'm going to go back to my four variables. See everywhere brand's being used, it's now using that purple instead of the warm orange for this theme. I can come back to my components. Let's just close this. You'll see it's taking its own time, but slowly these items are starting to switch over to use those colors. Now Figma takes its time doing this, so this you might need to refresh or you might need to wait a while. Figma will take a while to go in and replace all the colors in your file. You can see it's also on my screens here that's starting to go through and actually update the colors. So once again, once that's done in Figma, I can go back to my plugin and republish. So just go to my publish tab. Hit update app, and this app over here will update based on those changes I just made. That's it. Basic stuff.